Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we are diving into the Oppo Reno 8 2025 edition. Oppo has consistently impressed with its Reno series, and this year's model brings some exciting upgrades in design, performance, and camera technology. Let's break down everything you need to know about this device. Starting with the design, Oppo has refined the Reno 8 with a sleek, modern look. The phone features a seamless glass back with a matte finish that resists fingerprints. The edges are slightly curved, making it comfortable to hold. The camera module is integrated smoothly into the back panel, giving it a premium feel. The front sports an ultra-slim bezel design with a centered punch-hole camera. The device comes in multiple colors, including a stunning gradient finish that shifts tones depending on the light. Moving on to the display, the Reno 8 boasts a high refresh rate AMOLED screen. The colors are vibrant, and the contrast is excellent, making it perfect for media consumption. With an improved peak brightness level, outdoor visibility is top-notch. The in-display fingerprint scanner is faster and more responsive than before. Performance-wise, the Reno 8 is powered by the latest chipset in its category, delivering a smooth and efficient experience. Whether it's gaming, multitasking, or heavy applications, this phone handles everything effortlessly. The combination of powerful processing and AI optimization ensures minimal lag and improved power efficiency. The device also supports extended RAM technology, allowing for smoother app transitions and background processing. Battery life is another strong point. The Reno 8 packs a large battery with advanced fast charging capabilities. Charging speeds are significantly improved, giving you hours of usage with just a short charge. Power efficiency has also been optimized, ensuring the phone lasts longer even with heavy use. Now let's talk about the cameras. Oppo has always focused on camera innovation, and the Reno 8 continues that trend. The primary sensor delivers crisp and detailed shots, even in low light conditions. The AI-powered night mode enhances clarity without overprocessing the images. The ultra-wide lens captures expansive landscapes with minimal distortion. For those who love portrait photography, the dedicated portrait mode provides excellent edge detection and background blur. The front camera is optimized for high-quality selfies with improved facial recognition and enhanced HDR for better results in different lighting conditions. Video recording capabilities have also been upgraded, offering better stabilization and higher frame rates. On the software side, the device runs on the latest Color OS version, bringing new features and a more refined user experience. Customization options are extensive, allowing users to tweak the interface to their preference. The OS is optimized for smooth animations and faster app launches, ensuring a fluid user experience. Privacy features have been enhanced, giving users better control over data security. Connectivity options are up to date, with support for 5G, Wi-Fi enhancements, and improved Bluetooth performance. The audio experience has also been refined, with stereo speakers delivering immersive sound quality. In conclusion, the Oppo Reno 8 2025 edition is a well-rounded device that balances design, performance, and camera capabilities. With its stylish look, powerful hardware, and advanced software features, it stands out as a strong contender in its category. Whether you are a gamer, content creator, or someone who needs a reliable daily driver, this phone is worth considering. Stay tuned to FK iPhone for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Let us know your thoughts in the comments.